Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new, welcome to my channel. If you are, hit that subscribe button down below. Today I want to talk about a new fragrance release, and I'm really excited about this one because this is supposed to be for the gourmand girlies, and if you know me, I am her. I am gourmand to the T. I mean, I of course wear other ones, but if it's gourmand, I need it. Anyways, this particular fragrance is coming from Snif. And Snif, this is going to be my first purchase from them. I have been looking at Creme Couture, but I haven't purchased it yet. But when I found out about this fragrance, I was like, do I really want to try it? Do I really need that? I don't want to be disappointed. So we're going to test it on camera. I'm going to test it on camera with you guys because why not? We're going to do first impressions. We're going to talk about it a little bit, and we'll see what it's giving. So the fragrance is Snif's Vanilla Vice, and it is supposed to give vanilla ice cream goodness. Okay, we're gonna see. Let me see how I'm supposed to open this box. It got here really fast. I ordered this during the early access on January the 11th. This is coming from New Jersey, by the way, and it is the 13th, and it's already at my doorstep. Like, I got the tracking email, but I like halfway paid attention to it because I thought, okay, yeah, they're just processing them so they can get ready to ship out. And no, they shipped out immediately. How do I open this box? And I was not I got the tracking email, but I was not expecting it to be here this weekend. I thought maybe next week for sure, but I came home today and it was at my door. Let's get into it. I ordered the 10 ml in the travel case because I wasn't sure if I needed a full 30 milliliter bottle. I didn't, like, I know that they have the test before you buy, but I didn't want to do that. I don't know why, but I didn't. But this is what it looks like, and it just comes with this, and it says a vanilla scent so nice you'll call it a vice. Let's take this off. And it's supposed to give vanilla goodness, and I am excited to see what this is giving. I'm gonna be so disappointed if I don't like this. I should have grabbed a testing blotter, but it's fine. So it comes with a carrying case for it, and it's like a tannish. It's magnetic. You just pop it in there, and boom. This is the fragrance in the 10 milliliter bottle, and it comes wrapped with plastic. Okay. Let me do one more spray. Now I do get a little bit of the initial spray. There's definitely some alcohol there. Okay, I see it. I see it. I like it. It's interesting because this is vanilla. This is vanilla ice cream, but this is as weird as this is going to sound, this is a warm vanilla ice cream. There's a little bit of spice there. So the notes in this: ice cream, Madagascar, vanilla, jasmine, sambac, amberwood, archinox. I think that's it. Yeah. It's definitely a rich vanilla too. It's slightly creamy, but it's really warm. I really like this. Initial spray is a bit because of the alcohol blast that you get, but I can see myself wearing this. I think it's a really nice fragrance. Again, initial review, first impressions. So I don't know about Siage, and I'm To really smell it, if I'm being 100% honest, I really have to put my hand up to my nose. But that's my hand. I don't have my hand near my face the entire day. So, excited to see what this does. Most likely going to purchase from Snif again. If I end up liking the way that this wears on me, I'll get a full 30 ml bottle. But I really props to Snif because they do have a try it out program where they allow you to try it out for 7 days to see if you like it, and then if you do, you keep it and you pay the $65 or whatever, and then if you don't, you send it back. So this I would definitely recommend you try out before. If I'm being 100% honest, not everyone is gonna like this, and not everyone is gonna see this as worth it. I've already seen a review. I think someone got a sample of it, and they also got they also bought a fragrance from another fragrance house, and they were returning this because they liked the other one better, and this wasn't just a need for them. But this is really nice. This is rich, warm, it's deep. It's definitely a rich, deep vanilla. I get the ice cream, but it's more of like a vanilla bean. Yeah, this is really nice. As for it being a gourmand girly's dream, like, it's for the gourmand girls for sure. This is a warm vanilla gourmand with this bit of spice. That's the amberwood, and I'm thinking there's a note in here that I'm not used to, and I'm thinking it's the Orchinox. It's different for sure. The more I smell this, the more I like it. I'm wondering about the formula because my hand is extremely oiled. This is going to be so nice. The more that it dries down, the more that I like it, and I definitely recommend getting this. Oh, definitely worth it. Again, Snif has the test before you buy thing going on, so do that, and then if you like it, if you love it, keep it. If not, you do have the option of returning it. So blind buying from Snif is not that big of a deal. Gonna be honest, I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting more of a lighter fragrance, but I actually really like this. It took a little bit to get there, but I like this. And with me, I like spicier fragrances, warmer, richer fragrances. So this I'm going to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. Really excited again to see how I like this going forward. Because by the end of this video, I now love it. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely check it out. They are out of stock for the 30 ml already, but they should still have some 10 mils on hand, or just wait for the restock. They said they should be dropping more soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.